All right, well, we're in Dahlonega, Georgia, University of North Georgia, to install CDK600 and a CDK700 all on the same trip. Should be pretty cool, fun group of guys here. And luckily, it's the start of the Smoky Mountains, and today, nice blue skies, no rain. So we got the 700 installed, and now we have to work on getting the CDK600 wedge mount and then CDK24 up and running. Alright, it's a little bit after 7 o'clock. We balanced the declination, balanced the right ascension. We just started up PWI4, so it's going through and running on the motor tuning. It's about time for dinner after not eating for, what, 8 hours? Because we ate like noon, so time to let this thing run, do motor tuning. It's cloudy tonight, so we're not going to be able to polar line the wedge, but tomorrow we'll wrap up the CDK700, which is just down the hall, and then we'll do cable management on this thing to make sure it's all clean and running. Okay, so we did a little bit of final cable routing. Mark did a great job in the back there. I wrapped up, did the power supplies, tossed them in the wedge, double checked everything for functionality, focuser works, mirror temperature is working, and got to hook up the Delta T, which is gonna warm up the mirrors to prevent dew, and we'll do that tomorrow and finalize the CDK700 down the hall tomorrow. All right, right now we're disassembling the CDK700 because we're gonna make sure the secondary mirror is aligned, and to do that we have to take apart the panels, get access, and remove the tertiary third mirror. Remove that, and then we'll get the laser up to fire up to the secondary mirror, and then put the tertiary mirror back in, make sure each port is good side to side, and then we'll connect everything up to the computer. All right, we have everything installed on the 700 now. We're connecting up to the computer, and we're gonna test, make sure all the accessories function as they should. But right now, everything is looking good. All right, after final testing, all the accessories were wrapped up, made sure that the system was collimated. We double checked the accessories and electronics, and we unfortunately, of course, didn't get on Sky tonight because it's cloudy and it just rained. So we'll work with the client to make sure that we show them how to run the software tonight, and then work with them remotely for polar aligning both systems. This one's easy because all fully remote, no mechanical adjustment. The wedge system requires adjusting it mechanically once because it's a permanent polar alignment, but aside from that, pretty quick and easy to do. But it's a pretty fun install. 6 and 700 system, all in a day and a half. Hope you guys enjoyed following along. It was a fun couple days here in Dahlonega, Georgia, installing the systems, and we're gonna wrap up tonight and tomorrow. We'll work with a client to show them how to operate all the equipment, and then we'll keep in touch with them to make sure they know how to run everything.